So I'm using a styrofoam wreath and we're going to dress that up, and I'm going to start with some of this yarn. And this is a white yarn and it has silver glittery speckles in, so it's really beautiful. So we're going to start with the end, and all I'm going to do is just stick this with some hot glue on the back. And then once you've stuck it down, all you're going to do is keep twirling that around. Make sure it's really nice and tight so that it covers the styrofoam. And there you go, that's all done. And threading this through the wreath is probably going to be the most time-consuming aspect of making it, and the hardest. The rest is really fun and easy. So now we're going to bring the wreath to life by adding in the decorative pieces. Next thing that you want is your miniature trees, and we're going to stick that down on the wreath. We're going to be using a mixture of sizes and colours and styles. So instead of sticking it down like this, the good thing about these trees is that you can bend them. So you can stick it down sideways on the base there, but your tree can stand straight. And if you want to make sure that this is extra strong, you can use E6000 and hot glue. So just play around with your landscaping. You want to make sure it's interesting, it's different in the dimensions as well. And for this tree here, it has a wooden base, so I can't work with it the way that I worked with these. So you just screw off the wooden base so you've got the tree like this, and then it's easier to stick down. You don't have to just stay within the inside of the wreath. I have added one here, and I think that's just really added a nice touch. Next, you're going to decorate your trees, and you can do that with some garlands or some pom-poms. So I'm going to use the red bead garlands on the top of all of the trees, and I'm going to stick that down with some hot glue. Now I'm going to start decorating the trees with more of the garland beads. Again, just hot gluing them in. Now the next thing that you're going to need to decorate your wreath are some pom-poms. So you want them in different sizes, different colours and different textures. So I'm going with this big fluffy one first, and then we're going to hot glue that as well. And now I'm going to stick down this smaller one. I'm just fluffing it up a little bit. So I'm going to add this green bell just in the middle of the two pink pom-poms. Next I'm going to add this wooden embellishment stag. And I'm adding one more detail, which is on the bells. I'm adding some white dots using puffy paint because it gives it like a 3D dimension. Now we're going to add some red ribbon in the center of the wreath so that we can hang it up. Last but not least, we're going to be adding a cute red bow to the wreath. And here's a finished wreath. I absolutely love this. I think it's so cute and adorable. I love the bright colours. It really does scream Christmas and winter, and it makes me feel jolly. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, you know what to do. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!